So today we are downtown Spokane, Washington.
Saying goodbye to gluten does not mean saying goodbye to great food and great taste.
So please like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel.
And we are on the corner of First Avenue and South Howard. And if you guys want some great gluten-free waffles and breakfast treats, there's only one place to go, and it's People's Waffles. Go.
Alright, so I have just a plain latte with oatmeal. I love when they serve it in a real coffee cup and put pretty design on it. It's very good. So I've ordered the protein plate. I have puffable waffle, sausage, egg, and some avocado. A little bit of syrup on the waffle and try that.
Yep, and they make it with Bob's Red Mill 1-to-1. Really good?
Really good.
Okay, so I ordered the waffle breakfast, which is 2 beautiful waffles. Oops. An egg, some bacon, nice thick crispy bacon. That's really good. That was really good.
Alright, so that we're ready to leave. We've had a great meal here at People's Waffles.
So what are you going to do for lunch?
So, you spent the morning at the People's Waffles, and then you spent all day hanging out, playing with your family and friends over in Spokane. You're starting to get a little hungry. So, the best thing to do is come down to Summit Street to this place, the Tamale Box.
Hi there, and welcome to Tamale Box.
Now, the Tamale Box is owned and ran by Enrique Mariscal, who makes tamales by hand every day, and he learned from the best, his mom. And in my book, she's a genius.
Okay, so people, I'm here to talk to you guys about the Tamale Box. It is an amazing place. It is on Summit Parkway, right next, overlooking the falls, and it's like hop, skip, and a jump from the actual downtown corridor. So you come in the east or the west, come over the bridge, and it's literally in the thin building. Not where Google says it's in the grocery store, okay? I want to show you guys these tamales because a good tamale place will actually have them in the husks, and these smell amazing. So I got myself a chicken chili rojo, which is this one, and then I also got a pork chili verde, which is this one. Oh, those smell so good. The masa just smells so fresh and just yummy, yummy, yummy. So get all this little thingies out of here. Now, the great thing about this place is you can order to go, online orders, and they'll have it ready for you as soon as you come in the door. Pick it up. You can order dozens at a time if you want. So I'm going to show you guys this one really quickly. Oh, that looks so amazing. I mean, folks, just look at that. I mean, ain't that beautiful? Now, the masa itself, like unlike a lot of tamale places that feels like you're eating Play-Doh, this is fluffy, yummy, moist. Really, really good. Pork. That is a good pork verde. I mean, really good pork verde. Okay, this is the chicken chili rojo. I just got the very end piece. Let me grab off a chunk because it goes with the chicken. Now, as you can see, it is a little small place. So, but like a lot of people, the park is just a block away, if that. So you guys can like grab yourself some lunch, head over to the park, eat in style, eat out in the sun. So look at this, folks. So you got a nice layer of masa. You got your nice layer of meat inside. such a good tamale. I mean, oh my God, the flavors are just exploding out of your mouth, or in your mouth, not in your mouth. And just the texture is just completely amazing. The owners are awesome, to tell you the truth. They learned tamales from a long time ago. They had a tamale truck. Now they got this stuff, a little establishment. Hopefully, with your help and coming here and getting a ton of tamales, they're going to get a bigger place, so you guys can bring, like, you know, your whole familia, you know. So I definitely think you guys should show up here and, you know, buy their tamales. You know, they got salsas to, you know, like house-made salsas you can buy. You got pico de gallo to buy. They got wines you can buy if you want. And definitely this is worth the trip, and especially if you are coming here to Spokane, Washington, not Kansas, you definitely want to stop here. This is a must-stop place. I mean, I can't reiterate it enough. I mean, this place is like so good, and they're not that expensive at all, to tell you the truth. I mean, this will fill me up, and it was $10. That's it. $10. That was it, and we're good to go. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you definitely show up here to come and eat their epic food. And remember what we always say here at Good-bye Gluten. Never saying goodbye to gluten does not mean saying goodbye to great food and great taste. Have a great day.